so good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel The Amerykanka. If you're new, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and today I will talk about one amazing, I think one of the best things of being an international student is receiving packages from home. Yes, my mom sent me a package about 10 days ago, and I've been checking this package for, I don't know, I think past week, and it arrived today, so let's open it with me because I am so excited. This is the conversation with my mom. She's just so excited. Okay.
Oh my god!
She sent something that was prohibited and they had to inspect. Oh my god, I'm really sad now. Prohibited material removed and destroyed. What the heck? Let's see how the package looks inside. Okay. These are just instant soups. So this is just like cheese soup and chicken soup. These two. Oh my god. Okay, more mushroom soup. Crackers. Oh, thank you, Mom, for charger. She sent me charger with this plug, which we don't use in States, but thanks, Mom. Kinda pudding, kinda jelly thing. That is really good. We have another mushroom soup. Another one is a powder soup, but okay, I'm really happy. Another one. Oh my god, she sent me my headphones. Okay, these are the headphones that I just forgot to take. We were leaving to the airport. I left it on my bed, and we are on the airport, and I was like, where are my headphones? Because I thought they are like on my neck, but okay, they stay right here. She just sent me like I don't know, refresheners, so you can put to your closet and your clothes smells really good. Oh my god, it's still closed and I can still smell it. Oh my god, thank you, Mom. Oh my god, she's just amazing. She supposed to send me just my medicines because I still struggle with my acne, and I just have to ask my dermatologist to get me more medicine, and she's supposed to just send me my medicine, and look at her. Okay, oh my god. Guys, do you know borscht? Borscht? I don't know. If I say it wrong, just correct me in comments. This is so Polish. Of course, powder soup. It's not like we just eat powder soup, but this is what she can just send me, and I love it. So this is just beetroot soup and more cheese soup and żurek. Oh my god, guys. Żurek is like
The most Polish soup ever.
Delicie, which is like Java cake, something like that, but it was 100 times better. Just more sweets and my acne stuff. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, this is what is forbidden. They took exactly the same thing at the airport, and this is forbidden. So I just wonder what other things they removed that was forbidden and they destroyed it. So I don't know, but good Mom, she put it at the bottom, so they didn't probably wanna like destroy the whole package, but I got my kabanosy, Polish sausage, okay. And pasztet with tomatoes. Oh my god, the best thing in the world. Oh my god. Prince Apollo. Oh my god, the best. You have to try it if you haven't. Mentos. German chocolate. Oh, some face mask. I don't know, guys, do you have Perfecta in States? Tampons. Thanks, Mom. Send me a toothpaste. I don't know, we have stores over here, but thanks! Oh, szprotki. It's just like a little fish in oil. Deodorant. Lovely as a brand in American stores, so I just asked her for this concealer because it's cheap and really good. So this is my concealer, and yeah, mommy. How many stuff you can just fit in this small box? I honestly, like, I'm impressed. Like, my mom just mastered Okay, master just sending packages back to States. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you for opening my package with me. This is the very first package of this year, of my junior year. So I am always so excited to open it because you never know, because your mom just call you and say like, oh, I sent you a package, I sent you your medicine and some sweets, and then bang, 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 everything is here. So I'm so happy. And of course, if you like my package opening with me, please make sure you subscribe and stay for longer because new videos are coming, baby. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.